Tesla has passed another significant manufacturing milestone. On Saturday, Tesla announced that its Texas Gigafactory had produced its 10,000th Model Y SUV. The achievement may be good news for those looking to buy a Cybertruck next year. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we'll take a look at what's going on at the Tesla Giga Texas and future updates. Curious to know? Let's find out. One of the reasons it's difficult to catch up to Tesla is that the company is constantly improving. It makes no difference if its vehicles are already the best-selling electric vehicles on the market. It makes no difference if its EVs already have excellent safety ratings. If there's something that can be improved, Tesla will do so. This includes its manufacturing facilities. The Fremont factory is already the most productive vehicle plant in the United States. But in the grand scheme of things, it is Tesla's least efficient electric vehicle factory. Gigafactory Shanghai is currently the company's largest factory in terms of output, and Giga Berlin, while seemingly held back by red tape on a regular basis, is quite efficient in its own right. This leads us to Gigafactory Texas. The facility is expected to be Tesla's best yet, as it is the company's newest factory and new headquarters. The Giga Texas ramp is expected to be quite fast, but it must first overcome some challenges. Increased production of Model Y variants with 4,680 structural battery packs and front megacasts is one of them. Giga Texas recently announced a new milestone. According to the official Tesla Twitter account, the electric vehicle manufacturer in Texas has produced its 10,000th Model Y. That's particularly impressive given that Giga Texas only began delivering consumer vehicles at the Cyber Rodeo in April. The production of the 10,000th Model Y at Gigafactory Texas is a significant milestone. Because the facility is still in its early stages, it is nowhere near as optimized as Gigafactory Shanghai or the Fremont factory. Given that Giga Texas appears to be gaining traction, it would not be surprising if the facility is able to produce 5,000 vehicles per week by the end of the year. Gigafactory Texas is an important part of Tesla's global expansion, partly because it will produce the company's next big product, the Cybertruck all-electric pickup. So far, the majority of Giga Texas news has focused on the facility's Model Y line. However, as the year enters its fourth quarter, reports about Giga Texas' construction of its Cybertruck production line are likely to emerge. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. Tesla has revised its Giga Texas application to reveal a potential 500,000 square foot expansion of the automaker's electric vehicle production factory outside of Austin. Tesla added 12 acres to the site's construction limits, as well as 522,720 feet of space. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, stated that the expansion will allow the company to build an ecological paradise at the factory. On September 20, Tesla officially filed a revised application with the City of Austin's Housing and Planning Department. Tesla is proposing revision to previously approved site plan, the city stated. Tesla is proposing a change to the Giga Texas site plan by expanding the construction limits after inspecting the new filing and comparing it to the old filing. In the previous application, the acreage was listed as 268. It is listed as 280 in the new application. Furthermore, the factory's square footage will be increased by 500,000 square feet. The previous application specifies a square footage limit of 11,674,080. Tesla's revised application raises the square footage limit to 12,196,800. Tesla claims Gigafactory Texas covers over 250 acres of land and has over 10 million square feet of factory floor. So the applications match the company's website description of the factory. Gigafactory Texas currently produces 250,000 vehicles per year. However, the factory only recently opened and is not yet fully operational. Gigafactory Texas is expected to eventually produce up to 500,000 vehicles per year. Tesla intends to manufacture the Cybertruck at Gigafactory Texas sometime next year. Musk stated that the vehicle's design was completed earlier this year. This filing comes on the heels of several other Gigafactory Texas expansion projects that Tesla has planned in the last year. Tesla filed a request to expand General Assembly 2 and General Assembly 3 by 500,000 square feet in late June. In addition, Tesla filed for a 68 11-acre plot adjacent to the factory in mid-July. It was labeled a production support area. The most recent development was the approval of Tesla's application to build a massive battery energy storage system project at Gigafactory, Texas in mid-August. The project is described as a 53.27-acre land parcel that will house Tesla megapacks that will support the energy grid by storing excess energy generated by solar panels. While Tesla has filed for an increase in acreage and square footage, this does not imply that the factory will be expanded in the near future. Tesla intends to construct another industrial building adjacent to the 4.3 million square foot Giga Texas manufacturing facility on Harold Green Road in Austin's Del Valle suburb. Cathode, a 32-acre development between the Gigafactory and the Colorado River, has been proposed by the locally based EV manufacturer. The upcoming industrial facility, which will replace a former quarry, will produce cathodes for battery manufacturing. While Tesla is not named on the application, Colorado River Project LLC, a legal entity the company uses for its Greater Austin developments, is a co-applicant for Project Cathode. A City Development Services Department spokesperson confirmed that the application is for the Tesla project and that the permit is for a cathode building. The Bobcat project on Harold Green Road is another development the EV manufacturer is planning near Giga Texas. Late last year, the tech titan began production of the Austin-built Model Y. Tesla ended 2021 with an 87% year-over-year increase in EV deliveries, indicating that the company is bullish on electric vehicle manufacturing. Local production of cathodes for battery manufacturing will almost certainly relieve supply chain constraints while also lowering costs. Greater Austin has seen a significant increase in industrial development. According to data, 3 projects within a 5-mile radius of Giga Texas are scheduled for completion in 2022. By 2021, the metro had received over 6.5 million square feet of industrial deliveries and had nearly 9.5 million square feet of new projects under construction. The first building of the 2-phase, 114-acre development is set to open in mid-2023. Tesla may be planning to give itself more real estate to work with in the future, especially if it plans to expand the Giga Texas campus. Coming to the Battery Day presentation, Musk has shown off a number of changes that he claims will cut the cost per kilowatt hour of building electric vehicle battery cells in half. Musk said just before displaying the $140,000 Model S Plaid and its 200 mph plus top speed that these changes would be enough to help Tesla make the compelling $25,000 electric car within 3 years, which is similar to a 3 years away comment he made in 2018. "We don't have a cheap car," he admitted, "but that's something we'll have in the future. But we need to reduce the cost of batteries. Aside from the price, that car doesn't have a name or even much of a shape to talk about just yet. And given the trajectory of the $35,000 Model 3, we wouldn't rush to pre-order one." In terms of pre-orders, it appears that approximately 600,000 people have paid $100 to be first in line for the Cybertruck. In terms of more immediate concerns, Musk stated that the private beta of the long-awaited full self-driving upgrade for Tesla Autopilot could begin in the coming months, following a fundamental rewrite of the car's software. Musk and Drew Baglino, Tesla's SVP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, announced the changes, which include new table cells that can hold 6 times as much power, 5 times as much energy, and increase range by 16%. The new cells are 46mm by 80mm in size, hence the name 4680. Making these larger cells raised thermal management concerns, which were addressed by their cylindrical design. Although eliminating a foil-to-tab weld and aligning the foils in a shingled spiral gives these cells a shorter electric path, the manufacturing process isn't yet fully functional. This is in addition to plans to extract lithium from clay in the Nevada desert and embody battery cell engineering, which makes the battery an integral part of the car's frame. Analysts estimate Tesla battery packs will cost around $156 per kilowatt hour in 2019 and could drop to as low as $70 or $80 in the coming years, saving a couple $1,000s per vehicle. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your future predictions for the Tesla factory at Giga Texas? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you